Julius Malema's court case has been delayed yet again. So, 15th of April this year, so in about 3 months' time, after 7 years, then it might take even more time. Um, so, the truth of the matter is that there is no such thing as equal access to the court. This is what this court case shows. Your access to the court is determined by the amount of money you've got to hire good attorneys and advocates. There is no such thing as equal access to the court. Because he's a political figure, there is additional consideration. Whereas normal citizens just get charged and they get sent to prison. Even though the judge asked for a celebratory firing of semi-automatic rifles, etc., one should not be of the opinion that even though there's contribution to the community, that you can just do what you want when it's your birthday in a crowded space. Which is, I mean, that's pretty evident, is it not? So, but yeah, there's no such thing in South Africa as equal access to the courts, which is an atrocity, to be honest. And I think every citizen, doesn't matter what color you are, who you vote for, whether you vote for Malema, EFF, ANC, DA, Freedom Front Plus, PA, doesn't matter. There is no such thing as equality. You, as an ordinary citizen, will not get the opportunity to have this level of defense, whether you've got a traffic infringement or whether you've got an accidental bloopsie. You're not. You're not. You're just a statistic in the eyes of the court, unless you are a political figure, unless you are connected, and unless you are wealthy. So, to all of us normal citizens that struggle to survive the economy, you're just a number. Why are you treating these political elites that's stealing? I'm not saying he's stealing. There's a VBS scandal thing, but I mean, there's nothing proven. Why are you happy with this? Why are you accepting that it can take 8 years for someone to be sentenced when normal citizens don't have that access to the court? This is a gross misconduct of justice. The technicalities and the amount of money you can throw at a panel of lawyers and attorneys and advocates, and actually just misuse the due process is astounding in South Africa. Court delays, inappropriate venues, witnesses that account for it's basically just irrelevant nonsense. Just as the delay tactic, another 3 months. And who's paying for all of this? You, the one that gets sentenced if you've got a minor infringement, that gets the bailiff or the sheriff knocking at your door if you've got a couple of $100 debt to someone. This is not how democracy is supposed to work. This is not a functional justice system, not a truthful one.